Hello, do you know how to round a decimal to the nearest whole number? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So you could have a decimal like this, 4.2. Now, all you need to know is if this decimal, the side of it, point whatever, is below 5, you round it back down to this number here, or if it was 1.2, it would be to 1. So you round it back to the whole number that's already written. However, if it was 0.5 or above, you round it up to the next whole number. In this case, that would be 5. So the answer to that one would be 5. So use that information to work out the next question. If I had a decimal like this, 7.7, do I round that to 7 or 8? Okay, give you a second. Well done! You round it to 8, don't you? Really good. All right, use information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!